Romania or rumaniyya was a dish originating in the Middle East and popular in medieval Europe. We find variations of it in several medieval cookbooks, the oldest one in the 14th century anonymous Liber de Coquina, probably originating in the Naples area. I quote, "For Romania, fried chicken with lard and onions and chopped unpeeled almonds thinned with sweet and sour pomegranate juice. Then strain and simmer with the chickens and stir with a spoon. And put in some spices." This recipe has unmistakable similarities to the Persian dish fesinjan, in which, in contrast to this recipe, walnuts are used, not almonds, and the sauce is not strained. So I'm going to serve it with rice. When a medieval recipe mentions spices in general, it usually refers to black or long pepper, or grains of paradise as a cheaper substitute at the time, cinnamon and dried ginger, or calmus again as a cheaper substitute. Romania can describe a number of dishes featuring meat in a pomegranate sauce. A couple of years ago or so, I did a video about meatballs in pomegranate sauce from the Iberian Peninsula.